Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 setups for today. So, range or double top? That's kind of what it is at the moment, and I would argue we're probably just looking at a range here. We do have the Fed's coming out tomorrow, so I think we're probably just going to range about until tomorrow still. So, nothing really changed on anything here on the 8th hour. A strong move up. This is a consolidation phase at the moment, but there's a lot of good feelings around interest rate cuts. So when we drill down through the time frames, you can see yesterday was pretty much big up, big down. If you look at the oscillators, they have crossed over and are pointing down. So let's just fine tune this bottom level. We want to bring it onto these two fractals from last week, and that is at 52.92. This gap is still open from yesterday, and as I said yesterday, I do expect that to close. I don't think they're going to leave that open, and you can see we did attempt there with a tail, but I want a body that closes beyond that in order to close the gap. In other words, I want a solid body that closes below the gap. Now, oscillators at the moment, they're flat right now, but they have eased off and they have separated. So, you know, it's compressing for some sort of explosive move. That looks like it's going to be a move to the upside if we just look at the oscillators. But I think for me, this is sideways, and you'd be foolish to try and pick a direction right now. So we are waiting for politicians. We're waiting for some catalyst to drive us. We're in amongst the moving averages on the 15 minutes, as you can see. And when we're in amongst the 15 minute like that, it is an indication that we are ranging. So I would be sitting on the sides, to be honest. It's not worth trying to second guess this. We're obviously waiting for the Feds tomorrow. We're waiting for good news from the Feds tomorrow right now, and nobody's going to commit to anything until they get that information out of the Feds. So that's kind of my view. I think you're going to need to break structure either up or down, to be honest. I think, as I said, it's either a range or it's a double top. So you can see massive engulfing bar, double engulfing bar here, but you need to break below this pin bar, which is around 52.85 for that double top to come into play. So right now I think treat it as a range, although I'm not really interested in buying into a range. I would want to see a break of 53.30 and a retest of that before committing to a move to the upside at the moment. So that's kind of my view. Wait and see at the moment, and we'll have a look at it again tomorrow when the Feds have spoken. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.